Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil. My name's Andrew and this is
Ember.
And today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw a
happy donut.
Please subscribe to our channel if you like what we're doing, and don't forget to
give us 1,000 million thumbs ups because we need it.
If you have any comments and suggestions about what you would like us to do in the future, please put them in the box below. Should we get started?
Yes.
Let's begin. Okay, so first of all let's get a blue pen. Okay, and we're going to do the eyes.
This is good.
Okay, so we're going to draw a circle here and a circle there. Actually, maybe a little bit lower so we can get all of the donut in. So, first of all, a big blue circle there. And then just over here, another big blue circle like that. That's great. Okay, so inside that circle, but starting in the corner, we're going to do another smaller circle, like that. I'm going to do the same on that side there. And then inside that, I'm going to do another circle.
How many circles are there?
There's quite a few, so we're going to make the eyes look nice and glossy.
Is this circle world or?
It is almost circle. And then guess what I'm going to do?
Another circle.
Exactly. Inside here in the corner, I'm going to do another circle just there. Now, just so that we get the positioning right, I'm going to do a little circle for the middle of the donut. So let's get a brown pen. Just about there.
So, like, what kind of brown?
There's a brown there.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm just going to draw the same sort of size as the eye. Okay. Okay, and then let's get a pink pen and we'll do the mouth. Okay.
Okay, so
Just about here, I'm going to do a pink diagonal line like that.
right here?
And then on the top I'm going to do like a curve and then a little flick. So I'm going to do a curved line that way and then I'm going to do a little flick like that. And on this side I'm going to do a curved line down and then a little flick at the end like that. And then we're going to do a curve joining up at the bottom.
For the lips?
For the lower lip, yeah. Like that. For just where the nose would be, I'm just going to do a slightly curved line like that. Okay? Now, we're going to need to do the donut, aren't we? So I think what we should do is keep our pink pen and just around this bit, because we're going to have pink icing on our donut, we're going to do another circle, but instead of it being centered, it's going to be slightly over that way. So I'm going to start here, go round like that, and then join it up like that. Okay, that's brilliant. Now, to try and get our donut shape centered, yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a couple of lines. I'll do a line there for the bottom of the donut and a line there for the top of the donut. I'm going to do a line here and here, so this is going to be a guide for our circle, okay? And we'll do another little line in between like that, okay? So that way, because donuts, they're not iced perfectly, are they? The donut is a bit lumpy. I'm going to do a lumpy kind of shape, but it will still roughly be in the right place, okay? So just underneath where the chin is, I'm going to do that as a smooth curve like that. And then around here we're going to start doing some sort of lumpy, bumpy wiggles. That's really good, Emma. So starting from here up to that where the eye is here, I'm going to do a curve like that joining up. So that's a bit of the donut showing. Yeah?
Yeah.
That's great. Now I'm going to leave a little gap and I'm going to carry the line round until it joins up. So I'm going to leave a gap and go round until it hits that piece of icing there. That looks good, yeah? Okay, so the next thing is to do the hand waving hello. So I'm going to kind of do kind of almost like a leaf shape. It's going to be rounded at this end and narrow at this end. So it's going to go round like that, then curve back on itself, round like that, and then back like that. Okay, and then I'm going to kind of do it like it's got its hand on its hip. So I'm going to do a curved line pointing out, and that bit is going to be the elbow.
So right here.
And then we're going to bend it in this way, like that. And then I'm kind of going to do like the joins back up, so it's an oval, like that. So then we want to do the feet. So I'm kind of going to do like a triangle, like the top of a triangle, but curved. So it's going to curve in and then up. So I'm going to go curve in, up like that, and then curve out like that. All right, and then for the feet, I'm going to draw almost like a diagonal line from there to the donut body. I'm just going to curve it out a little bit, like that. So, like that. Okay, so now we're going to do the sprinkles. So along here we're doing sprinkles. Let's try to have a few sprinkles near the face, but most of them up at the top. Because if we have too many around the face, it will mess up where the eyes are going to be.
Can we do it in any colour?
Yeah, I was going to do it in pink, but also yellow and blue would look good. Okay, so do a mixture of shapes. So rectangles, squares, circles, triangles.
We do stars.
I'm going to do a star, yeah. A heart is a really good idea. We'll do a heart. A diamond would be a good idea. We're just putting different shapes, okay?
I'm nearly done.
Yeah. And we need to do the eyebrows. So, you ready?
Yep.
So just for the eyebrows, I'm going to do like a little triangle at an angle. So I'm going to do a line like that, and a line like that.
Okay.
And then I'm going to do a diagonal line that way, and a diagonal line that way, and a diagonal line that way, and a diagonal line that way.
It's kind of like the donuts worried.
I hope it doesn't look too worried. Okay, now let's do the inside of the eye. So see here.
Let me just
let's
get
colour
that pen.
this bit in black.
Okay.
Like that. Okay, and in this corner of the eye,
Eyelashes.
let's do a triangle, a black triangle for that eyelash. And a black triangle for this eyelash. And then in the corner, I'm going to do two little triangles down here, like that. And we'll go over the first circle that we did blue in black to make the eyes stand out.
Okay. Okay.
Like that. Okay. Now for the donut, I'm going to put some little dots for the texture
Yeah.
of the dough, the sort of bready, bakey kind of texture. Okay. Yeah, any way you feel like doing it. Okay, now it's time to start putting it in. Wow, what an amazing drawing.
Thank you.
That's fantastic. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial. We've got more tutorials coming up, so stick with us if you want to see some more amazing drawings.
If you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel and comment below on what you want to do in a future video.
Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you again soon.
Bye!